Hi everyone, this is Catherine. If you want to make a chart like this in Microsoft Excel with 3 categories, 2 on the horizontal axis and 1 in the legend, it is all about setting up the data source the right way. The 2 categories for the x-axis should be in the first 2 columns. In the first column, the labels should appear only once at the beginning of each section, so they do not repeat. The category with items for the legend are in columns. If your data is in this format, you are good to go, and you can skip ahead to where I show you how to format the chart. However, if your data is in this format, you will need to flip these labels to columns. We can do this in less than 2 minutes with a pivot table. Click on the data, insert pivot table. With the mouse, click and drag the ATM Location field to rows. Place quarter in rows, transaction type in columns, number of transactions in values. Go to the Design ribbon, turn off subtotals, turn off grand totals, change the report layout to tabular. In the first column, each category label is printed once. Branch A, branch B, that's what we want. If it appears on every row, then under Report Layout, select the option Do Not Repeat Item Labels. Now that we have the right format, I don't want to create a chart from a pivot table because that can be tricky, so I will copy this table, go to a new worksheet, paste special, values. This is no longer a pivot table, just a regular spreadsheet. We have our data in the correct format. Insert a clustered column chart. The chart already looks really good. It reports the number of transactions by 3 categories, 2 on the x-axis and 1 in the legend. You may want to adjust the spacing between the bars or between the clusters, the quarters. Right mouse click on any bar, Format Data Series. If you set the series overlap to 0, the bars will be adjoined. Decrease the overlap to spread them out a bit. The gap width is the space between the clusters, between the quarters. If you make this 0, the bars are at their widest. Increase the gap and the bars become thinner, so there is more separation between the quarters. You also may want to change the alignment of the axis labels. Right mouse click on the axis, Format Axis, go to Text Options, Text Box, and change the text direction. Also under Axis Options, I'm going to make these lines separating the branches darker. And then add whatever formatting you prefer. Let's also change the bar colors, and that will finish the chart. This column chart was created in Microsoft Excel. It visually displays the number of transactions by 3 categories. 2 on the x-axis, the ATM location in quarter, and the third category is the type of transaction, which is represented by the different bar colors and is shown in the legend. This design is a great option for presenting a lot of information nicely organized in one chart. If you have questions about this video, please post them in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them.